शमिताभ मैं हूं ये मी
I am Shamita.
नो 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 शमिताभ मैं हूं
Shamitab मैं हूँ. I am Shamitab.
नो आई एम शमिताभ
Your mistake. I am Shamitab.
No, I am Shamitabh. I'm bigger than you, I'm taller than you, I've been in the industry for 45 years. मैं Shamitabh. What do you say?
Enough, enough, enough. उम्र क्या है तुम दोनों की? 97 years.
97 years? No.
97 years की अक्ल होनी चाहिए तुम दोनों में.
Imagine a film called Dhamitab or something like that. It doesn't sound right, no? Or Hamitab. It doesn't sound nice.
Right.
So,
Yeah, I got my jawab.
Yeah, okay.
I got my jawab. Thank you so much.
It's very gracious of you to say that. But really, it's been really the strength of the followers and people who have been watching me for the last 45 years, their encouragement, their love and affection. And with each passing year, to continue your affection and love for me is truly grateful. I have no words to thank you, and I hope that your encouragement keeps me going for as long as you want me to. And that's all that matters to me. So, piddly is a euphemism for...
Okay.
Good evening, everybody. I'm truly blessed, and it's a great honor to have shared screen space as well as stage with Amit ji. I'm truly blessed, and it's a great experience. I've learned a lot from just watching him.
Right.
So that's it. I'm just really blessed. I got to work with one Talaiva.
Right. Amazing.
मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि जब लोग ऐसी अवस्था में होते हैं जैसा कि आपने मुझे देखा है प्रोमो में, स्वर जो है अपने आप निकल पड़ते हैं. सीट पर बैठते ही, शावर चलते ही, साबुन लगाते ही गाना निकल पड़ता है. मैं भी एक बाथरूम सिंगर ही हूँ और वहाँ से कभी बाहर निकल नहीं पाया. ये बात बाल्की को कैसे पता चली, ये अभी भी मेरे लिए बहुत ही आश्चर्यजनक है. लेकिन ये सोच करके उन्होंने मुझे वहाँ बैठा दिया है पॉट के ऊपर और कहा कि गाओ बेटा, दिल खोल के गाओ. आपको अच्छा लगा, इसके लिए मैं आपको धन्यवाद देता हूँ. लेकिन दरअसल मुझे कभी शिक्षा मिली नहीं है और यदा कदा बाल्की जैसे लोग मुझसे कह देते हैं गाना गाने के लिए. तो इस गाने के पीछे इलैयाराजा जैसे एक महारथी, उनके संगीतबद्ध किया हुआ एक कोई गाना मेरे लिए गाना एक बहुत ही सौभाग्य की बात है. लेकिन उनके सामने जा कर के गाना इतनी हिम्मत नहीं हुई मुझे. तो मैंने उनसे कहा कि आप गाना बना करके भेज दीजिए, मैं यहाँ चुपचाप अपने बाथरूम में बैठ करके इसे गा दूँगा. और ऐसे ही हुआ. तो अगर आपको पसंद आया मैं आपको धन्यवाद देता हूँ, लेकिन दरअसल इसका श्रेय जो है वो इलैयाराजा को जाना चाहिए.
I've been trying to mix my characters as much as possible down south also. But here there's a fixed image for me there which I'm stuck, so I'm restricted there. I mean, so here though I don't have anything to lose. So I can experiment with whatever I want, and this kind of I should really thank Balki for giving me a character which is so special, a film which is so special, and also the opportunity to work with such big legends. So yeah, there's the reason, I don't have anything to lose. I can do whatever I want here.
Yes. I'm not going to lie, yes. I definitely was, because I really look up to Mr. Bachchan and Dhanush, both as actors. And I definitely was intimidated, but obviously we got on set, both of them. Both Mr. Bachchan and Dhanush made me feel very comfortable, so that wall was broken, so it made it a lot easier later during the shoot of the film.
Yeah, we don't actually come together. It's part of a sequence, and when you see the film, then you will actually understand the actual sequence and how it is portrayed. But yes, it's always very welcome to have such great luminaries in the film.